sugumgoy daw ang tawag dito sa dish na to. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga unflavored or classic beef yung niluluto nila. Thank you, ate. No? Hi. Nice.
Beef combo set, so marinated beef short ribs.
Yun, short ribs yun.
Yes, no? Grilled beef short ribs.
Short ribs ulit yun.
Yes, meron din tayong thin slice brisket. Sweet and spicy with noodles with vegetable and steamed.
Bali, ano po yan, sir? Kung halimbawa Pilipino, depende pa. So, kung Korean, kasi may instant noodles, yung cold noodles.
Cold noodles.
Ngayon nyo kayang Daejang soup.
Daejang soup. Alright. Alright. Nice. Thank you, ma'am. So, full table tayo, guys. Full table. And yung set menu na yun ay how much, brother?
So, for that set menu, that's only 3,600 pesos.
3,600 pesos. So,
marami na rin makakain dito.
Wow.
Siguro kahit around 4 to 5. Depende sa appetite.
ma'am, may refillable po ba nun? Or side dishes? So, all side dishes, guys, are refillable. Ayan. Iba-iba sila.
So, syempre, additional sa atin yung kanilang awesome bulgogi, which is part na kanilang a la carte.
Ay, oo. And then, sorry, nakita ko kasi ito, padating na. Ayun, oh. Ooh, look at that. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much, Busan Barbecue Grill, for inviting us.
So, this is located dito sa may Friendship Philem Highway.
Yes.
So,
Pinaka-landmark, Times Hotel.
yes.
Good thing, actually, sa lahat ng mga mag-check-in sa Times Hotel, actually, meron sila 10% discount sa kanilang bill.
Wow, so nag-check-in ka na, may discount ka pa. So, another must to go yun. Diba?
So, I think yung mga, halimbawa, outside Pampanga, ayun, no? So, you can actually check out if stay dun sa Times Hotel. At the same time, no need for you to travel far if you wanna taste yung mga authentic Korean dishes dito. So, take note, guys, hindi po ito unlimited.
Yes.
Shabu-shabu or, samgyupsal.
This is a set meal.
Set meal.
Yes.
And
So,
usually sa mga set meal, brothers, sinaserve nila mga premium
meats. So,
diba?
tingnan mo naman nasa takap
Oh,
natin. They are premium talaga.
Ay, grabe. Kaninang niluluto yan, brother. Talagang natatakam na ako.
Yes. I'm excited to taste them.
Meron po silang VIP rooms. Also, meron din silang parang communal dining area. And I think, pagpanik mo dito, sabi ko kanina, yeah, this is Korean.
Yes.
Meron, no?
Taste it. Premium nga siya. Kahit na medyo mahirap siyang sabihin, pero masarap naman siya sa bibig.
Ito naman, difference na dun sa kinain ni Mark. This one is marinated. Alright, all at once. Sabi ni paring Mark, all at once.
So, the original way kung paano kainin to, syempre, wala naman siyang cheese na kasama. Pero as tayo mga Filipino, since mahilig tayo sa cheese, i-dip na rin natin siya. And ready to go. Premium na.
Init pa. Grabe. So, yun nga.
Sarap naman ito.
This one is good for siguro 4 to 5 people.
Yes.
Depende sa appetite, no? Kahit na nabusog tayo, nag-enjoy pa rin tayo kasi
Yes.
ang sasarap ng mga premium meat nila, bro.
Actually, yun yung premium, quality, at the same time, talagang sulit na rin.
Nah,
At the same time, ang lambot ng meat nila, di ba? Natatanggal sa buto.
So, ayun guys, if you're interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including all the information po at the same time. You can message din po yung fan page na we're gonna be tagging dito sa page, sa post na to. So, yung pinaka-landmark po dito ay yung Times Hotel. So, hindi po kayo maliligaw kasi napakalaki niya dito sa daan.
Yes. So, kung kayo naman mag-check-in sa Times Hotel, meron kayong 10% discount.
Take note.
If kakain kayo dito.
So, ayun, there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you on the next one.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Cheers guys.